In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Advanced Uninstaller Pro on your Windows computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to find and install Advanced Uninstaller Pro on your Windows computer, you need to go ahead and search for it using any browser. For my case, I'll use Chrome browser to search for Advanced Uninstaller Pro. Now, if you hit enter, you'll be taken to the official Advanced Uninstaller Pro website here. Go ahead and click on it. And here you can see we have an option to download the free version for Windows. To get this, go ahead and click on free download here. And this will go ahead and commence the download. As you can see, the download is on. Once the download is done, now you can see we have the file here. Go ahead and click on the file folder, and it will open the download location. You can see mine is here. To now install this, now you need to go ahead and double click on it, and this will go ahead and ask you to confirm the installation. Go ahead and click on yes, and this will go ahead and open the installation setup wizard. You can see it here. Go ahead and click on next. Here, agree to the terms and conditions here, and then click on next. Then click on next again. Choose whether you want a desktop icon for shortcut, and also if you want to pin this Advanced Uninstaller on the taskbar. You can do so by checking or unchecking these boxes and then click on yes. And now the files will be extracted for this Advanced Uninstaller Pro. And once it's done, you can see the installation is getting to the end. Here you can see now we have our program already installed on our computer. So wait for this to complete, and once it's done, the setup wizard will close and then launch the program automatically. So that's how you can install Advanced Uninstaller Pro on your Windows computer or laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.